Hello everyone and welcome to Net Crypto, where you get important information and news about all coins and tokens of interest. And today we have got a brand new scam, Bitcoin BSC, right? So on this channel, right, about a month, 2 months now, I've started to track pre-sales, right? Because scams have moved into pre-sales. I've been tracking scams for almost 2 years on this channel, right? And they've been evolving. So pre-sales are the in thing, and they are marketing these scams using different websites and Google ads and so on, right? So this Bitcoin BSC, why are we saying this one is a scam? Because it's very similar to BTC20, right? Just look at the message that they have here for this Bitcoin BSC. So they are saying here, what is Bitcoin BSC? So Bitcoin BSC is a green BEP20 version of Bitcoin built on BNB Smart Chain, simulated to start at an early point in Bitcoin's history in 2011. Just as Bitcoin releases new BTC every 10 minutes, our staking smart contract pays out BTC BSC tokens in line with this block schedule. Stake BTC BSC to earn these rewards, right? So first thing first, not financial advice, but it's a terrible idea to invest in the pre-sale, right? I'm going to be watching this one very closely, right? Because I watched BTC20, right? And when it was time to claim, a lot of people were not able to claim BTC20, even though a lot of people were able to actually claim it, but a lot were not able to claim it, right? So that's one risk there of buying in a pre-sale. And staking is one tool that the scammers are using to prolong the scam for as long as possible, right? So they are saying here, simulated to start at an early point in Bitcoin's history in 2011. Right? So this 2011 story we've heard it before. Buy BTC in pre-sale at 2011 prices. Same thing that BTC20 was saying. Now it's only in their white paper. This is BTC20 white paper. Read what they were saying here. They were saying, welcome to the white paper of BTC20, a new proof of stake crypto token built on Ethereum that pays homage to the original Bitcoin while introducing a passive income staking mechanism. BTC20 draws inspiration from the early days of Bitcoin in April 2011, when its price was a mere $1, accompanied by a circulating supply of 605 million tokens, right? So it's the same story on Ethereum. Now the story is coming to BSC. Now, are these the same schemas of BTC20, right, and BSC? So I'm not sure if they're the same schemas or they are copycat schemas, because it seems that they've seen the success of BTC20, so now they are moving over the scam to the BSC chain. Now, where is the scam for this one? Well, let's just take a look here at their website, right, or rather at their white paper, and we see how the Tokenomics, how the token is distributed. And this is exactly where the scam is, so on the Tokenomics. So you see here, they're saying total supply, 21 million, pre-sale supply, 6,125,000, soft cap, 4 million tokens, hard cap, 6,125,000, network BNB chain, BEP20, minimum purchase 10, right? So what they are saying here is initial phase, soft cap 4 million BSC tokens will be available at almost $1, mirroring Bitcoin price 2011 price. We've been hearing this story, right? Second phase is an additional 125 million tokens will be on sale at the same rate to achieve the hard cap, right? All unsold tokens post-listing this is where the scam is. All unsold tokens post-listing will contribute to the BSC staking contract. Guaranteeing a fixed total supply of 21 million BSC tokens. Do you see something that is missing? Yes, team tokens and vesting mechanism, right? So this is where the scam is for this BTC Bitcoin scam, right? Some of them, maybe they are quick scams soon after launch. People might not even be able to claim, or they will allow certain people to be able to claim, others they'll blacklist their wallets. Because when you're actually buying in the pre-sale, you're not actually buying in the actual contract, right? You are buying in some other contract that can have tons of scammy features, right? So it's never safe to buy in the pre-sale. So the scam here has to do with team tokens. They are not actually specifying how many of these 6 million tokens that they plan to the hard cap of the 6,125,000 tokens that belong to the team. That's the same scam they are doing for BTC20. And for BTC20, it's a long-term scam, right? So, like I said, at launch, some people will be able to claim, some people won't, right? So this is something that we have seen. And they did not elucidate as to how many tokens the team has, because for them to be fully transparent, for example, we know the so-called originator of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto, mined 1.1 million Bitcoins, right? Multiple companies have done the research looking at the blocks over the years, and have seen that when he was active from 2009 for the 6 months in 2009, he mined about 1.1 million Bitcoin. And those tokens have never been moved, right, from the blocks that they were mined in. If they move, I'm telling you, the crypto market is going to be in a frenzy, right? But everybody knows that Satoshi Nakamoto has 1.1 million Bitcoins, right? But these guys who are trying to copycat Bitcoin are giving themselves tons of tokens. So within these 6 million, when they say we have reached the hard cap, you don't even know how many tokens the team has. I think, according to what I've seen in terms of liquidity and all that for BTC20, that the team for this particular project have about 5 out of the 6 million tokens. I don't believe investors even bought up to 1 million, right? Just looking at the liquidity on the DEX that is actually active, right? Because if it's 6 million, right, not everyone is going to stake. And that's one of the things, guys. Don't stake. Staking is a scam, right? Because what they did, for example, for BTC20, they allowed stake before claim. So a day before they allowed to claim, they allowed staking. So a whole bunch of investors went and staked. I don't even know why people stake, right? They went and staked, and then the next day they activated the claim, right? And then soon after that, they analyzed the staking pool, and saw that a lot of investors are arrested in that, because once you stake, they had a period of 7 days where you are not able to unstake, right? And they started pumping up the price. So now what happens? A lot of the investors who knows about BTC20, for example, or BSC20, are the investors. They started to see the prices pumping now on the DEX, and now they are encouraged to put in even way more money, hoping to catch that price increase. But when the price or the scammers saw they've achieved the amount that they want, the price gradually started coming down. A lot of people still lost a lot of money. By the time that the investors who were staked were unstaking, guess what? The price went back to $1. And even then, a lot of investors were still not able to even claim their tokens, right? So this one is a scam. I would tread very carefully, right? I don't want to tell you not to invest or anything. I'm just giving you the facts, right? The biggest scam here is the team is not transparent about team tokens and vesting periods, because they need to if they are transparent, they need to tell the investors that we have allocated 1 million tokens to the team, and the vesting schedule is going to be, I don't know, 10% every 3 months or every whatever. That's how the tokens are going to be unlocked. And this is in the smart contract and all that, but they haven't done that, right? They are going to have their tokens within that 6,125,000, right? And nobody knows how much, right? So be extremely careful of this one, right? So this is my review for this one. Let me know what you think down there in the description, right? And on the channel, we have a membership program, right? So if you join the membership right here on the channel, right, you'll be able to ask me to actually take a look or review any project of your choice in the comment section. You receive a membership badge, and I'll get to reviewing any project of your choice within 48 hours, provided it has nothing to do with sexuality, anything illegal, right? But definitely I'll look at it right within 48 hours. So this is my review for this one. Let me know what you think down in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.